Hey guys, Sanga Doodles here. I'm back. I know it's been a while, but I hope to start posting a little bit more frequently for you guys. So let's get into it. So I actually won this set of the ARRTX 40 Pastel OROS marker set through a giveaway. But everything in this video is 100% my honest review and first impression, so I'm not sponsored by ARRTX or anybody else. So in this marker set, you get the 40 markers, the marker stand, a bag, a pamphlet, and a swatch card. Currently, these markers are $49.99 on Amazon, and I believe there is a 20% off coupon. So, first look at these markers. I think they look like a true pastel set. I think they look gorgeous. I'm organizing them here. I think it has a really good range of colors. My only nitpicking is that I think they could have added a couple grays and a few earth tones to really round out this pastel set. I feel if you're doing character illustrations, this pastel will work really well with light skinned characters. But that's just my opinion. They're still gorgeous. Now the markers themselves is the brush nib and the chisel tip. And they definitely flow really well. I didn't get any dry markers. I feel like there's a lot of ink in them. The barrel is really sturdy and it's a really nice feel to them. They don't feel cheap. As well, on the markers, it is color coded and there are numbers for the markers. I wish that they could put the name of the marker color on the barrel, as well as maybe change up their numbering system. However, on the swatch card, they do list the color name and the number of the marker. But for me, it's such a hassle. I'd like to know the name of the color that I'm picking and for the numbering system to make sense. So I always have to refer back to my swatch card to see what color I'm using. Now, ARRTX themselves, I don't know too much about them other than I've seen them. They popped up about a couple years ago, I believe. And I know that a lot of artists really liked their alcohol markers, but previously all they had available was the chisel and fine tip nibs. So this OROS line is quite new. I definitely think ARRTX is very comparable to Ohuhu in price and in quality. They're definitely a very good alternative option if you can't afford the more expensive brands out there. And they're also really good as a supplement too. I mean, I have a variety of alcohol marker brands and they all work really well together. You know, ARRTX, from what I understand, being a little bit newer, I hope that they can grow to a point where they have open stock markers. So, you know, if a few of your favorite markers do run out, instead of buying a whole new set, you can buy that individual marker. I think that would be a lot better for their consumers. But yeah, I love this pastel set. I definitely think it's a true pastel set. I had a lot of fun with it. And I think it's going to be my go-to marker set for now. Now, delving into this illustration, I'm not going to talk too much about it. When I got this marker set, it was the month of October, and I was still on the Halloween kick, so I decided to illustrate and create a pastel witch. I was very adamant that I would just use the pastel colors while coloring in my own witch. A couple reasons why. One, I just really want to use these markers. That's how I am with all of my art supplies. I just have to hurry up and start creating something. Two, I was experimenting with color theory and layering multiple colors to get a new color or a deeper saturation. And then I just really wanted to push myself, only utilizing these like pale colors and illustrating them, you know, in a whole new different way. So I was pushing myself and I was pushing the limits on these markers. And I think it turned out great. You know, I'm still new to color theory and layering, but I had a lot of fun in trying new things with these markers, and the illustration I'm very happy with. So yeah, I think that's it. There's really no negatives about these markers. Yeah, so, you know, they're cheap, they're great quality, they got lots of ink, it's a nice set, good range of colors, they blend really well, and they supplement every other alcohol marker brand out there. But if you guys have any questions or comments or something I missed in this video, please comment down below. I will definitely get back to you guys. You know, I want us to grow as artists. You guys are my doodle fam. And yeah, it's great to be back. And if I missed something, let me know. Until next time, guys. Bye.